Greetings, beautiful people. I'm Kinch from Stan 7, and today I will be making a model of an animal cell using recyclable materials. Let's go. As you can see, I decided to use 3 layers of paper mache in a balloon to become the base of my cell. If you are wondering what is paper mache is just cutouts of paper dipped in a water and glue mixture. Now that the cell is dry, I use a pair of scissors to cut a hole at the upper middle part of the cell. You will know later why I did this. In the next step, you will need cutouts of illustration board or cardboards to fill the gaps of the hole you made. I also use masking tape to secure the board. After that's done, it should look like this, and that will serve as your cytoplasm. After that's done, it's time to paint the base of the cell. I utilize a masking tape and red paint color for the cytoplasm and orange hue color for the cell membrane. But later in the video, you will notice that I changed the cell membrane color to black. This is due to the newspaper. The text just comes through if I use the orange hue. I'm still using masking tape. This is to minimize the mistakes I will make in painting. I already made my organelles and painted it. I mainly used styrofoams, yarns, tissue papers, and cartons to form these organelles. Keep in mind that the animal cell is a eukaryotic cell. An animal cell undergoes a cell cycle and will eventually divide itself. This is called mitosis. Right here, I used black paint to draw some lines, and it will serve as my cytoskeleton. This is the final outcome of my cell making journey. I'm going to tell a brief description about each part, so listen carefully. First part, the cell membrane. Cell membrane contains two membrane layers and is responsible for what goes in and what goes out of the cell. Second, the nucleus. The nucleus is the brain of the cell that contains the nucleolus inside of it that synthesizes RNA. Now we have the two endoplasmic reticulums, the rough one that contains ribosomes attached to it, and the smooth one. The rough synthesizes proteins while the smooth one synthesizes lipids. The materials here are now gathered to the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is called the post office of the cell because the materials inside of here are sorted and managed. Now this part here, the blue balls, this is what the Golgi body uses to transport all the materials around the cell. They are called the vesicles. This is the mitochondria. This is the powerhouse of the cell. This is the peroxisomes. The peroxisome helps break down materials, especially alcohol, using oxidative enzymes. And here is the lysosomes that also helps break down materials but contains the lysozymes. The ribosomes is the smallest organelle of the cell. It is composed of RNA and proteins. The vacuole, right here, is a storage organelle that contains essential materials in order for the cell to survive. Now right here, we have the centrosomes and centrioles. These are important and essentials in the cell division. Now, the red part of the cell is called the cytosol. This is the liquid part of the cytoplasm. The black marks here, the cytoskeleton is important for maintaining the cell's shape. Now all that covers in this area is called cytoplasm. That would be all. Roll the montage.